Using a T20 Torx bit, want to go ahead and remove this screw and that screw. Grab the taillight, pull it forward. There are two studs right here that go into the rubber bushings inside the frame. Disconnect or pull out on this red tab away. I want to go ahead and squeeze down on this tab and disconnect the outlet like so. I'm going to take the connector, line it up, snap it into place. Press in the lock tab. Line up the two pins with the holes in the body. Push it in, install your two screws. Snug the screws down. Now you want to go ahead and test your lights.